Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the first question in exercise 11.2. Find the derivative of the following with respect to x. There are four subdivisions. Let's take one at a time. So the first one is x by 2 plus 2 by x. So first let's write out the formula that we are going to use. We know that x power n's differentiation is n into x power n minus 1. We also know that Cx differentiation will be C into differentiation of x. So here, let's take the constants first outside and write this as a function. So this is 1 by 2 of x plus 2 into 1 by x. So since I need to apply this formula, I'm also going to rearrange this slightly. So this is 1 by 2 of x plus 2 into x power minus 1. Now let's try to differentiate this particular function. So according to the formula, the constant is out. So this is 1 by 2. Differentiation of x is nothing but 1. So 1 by 2 into 1 plus 2 into differentiation of x power minus 1 is minus 1 into x power minus 2. Minus 1 into x power minus 2. So this is 1 by 2 minus 2 x power minus 2 can be rewritten as 1 by 2 minus 2 divided by x squared. So this is the differentiation of the input function x by 2 plus 2 by x. Now let's take up the second subdivision, that is 4 root x minus 2. So in order to differentiate, I'm going to write root x as x power half. So 4 into x power half minus 2. I need to differentiate this particular input function. So we know that 4 can be taken outside the differentiation. So 4 into differentiation of x power half, which is nothing but n here is half. So this is going to be into 1 by 2 into x power minus half, and differentiation of constant is 0. So I'm simply discarding that. Now I can simplify. This is 2. So 2x power minus half, or this can be rewritten as 2 divided by root x. So that is the differentiation of 4 root x minus 2. Now let's take up the third subdivision. Here it is ax cube plus bx squared plus cx plus d. So here when I have to differentiate, a is a constant. So simply keep that outside the differentiation. So this is a into x cube's differentiation on formula application. It is 3x squared. So a into 3x squared plus b into differentiation of 2x. X squared is simply 2x plus c into differentiation of x is 1. So it is plus c. Differentiation of d is going to be 0. So I'm not writing anything here. Now this I'm rewriting as 3ax squared plus 2bx plus c. So this is the differentiation of the given function. Now let's take up the last choice. The last subdivision is 2x power 4 plus x. So now to differentiate 2x power 4, 2 cannot be differentiated. I'm keeping it outside. X power 4 on differentiation, it is 4x cube plus differentiation of ex is 1. So this I can rewrite as 8x cube plus 1. In the next video, we will see how to solve the second question in this exercise. In the next video, we will see how to solve the second question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.